The lions of Savuti in northwest Botswana have made hunting elephants their speciality, killing over 30 in the past year. They are the most formidable pride in Africa, with 40 members. For the past 10 years, Induna the chief has ruled, fighting off every rival. But with so many females, his pride is coveted by younger, stronger males. Siva, a young lioness, has not yet hunted elephant. But she is now old enough and will soon be hunting with the rest of the pride. Now she is really angry. She's determined to drive off the lions.
The lionesses drive the 2-ton animal to the ground and hold him down. Although the lionesses are expert buffalo killers, they have never tried to kill an elephant. Their efforts are clumsy and ineffective. Their teeth can't penetrate his 1.5-inch thick skin, and his neck is too wide to strangle. So they attack the soft, vulnerable spots. Without a muzzle to suffocate, they try to hold his trunk. Unable to kill the elephant, they start to eat it alive.